Want to unlock your Metro by T-Mobile phone? Here's a quick breakdown of how the unlock process works, who qualifies, and the common errors you might see. What is phone unlocking? Carrier phones are usually locked to one network. Unlocking allows you to use another carrier's SIM card, useful for switching networks or using international SIMs. How Metro unlocks phones. Metro by T-Mobile now unlocks eligible devices automatically. Here's what happens. Once your phone qualifies, Metro remotely unlocks it, usually within 2 business days. Some phones may require manual steps instead. Unlock eligibility requirements. Your phone must meet these conditions. Purchased from Metro by T-Mobile, not reported lost, stolen, or blocked. Active on Metro for at least 365 days. If all conditions are met, the unlock is free. Military exception. Deployed military members in good standing may qualify for early device unlocking. You may need to provide deployment papers and contact Metro customer support for approval and verification. Common unlock errors and fixes. Device not recognized. Rooted phones can disable unlocking. Update Metro software. Data corrupted during transfer. Use stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart the phone. Server not responding. Metro servers may be busy. Try again later. No internet connection. Connect to Wi-Fi or mobile network. Unlock failed. Device not eligible. Phone hasn't reached 365 days. Or device may be blocked. Failure in applying unlock settings. Disconnect Wi-Fi. Use mobile data instead. Quick tips before retrying. Restart the device. Update software. Check the internet connection. Ensure enough storage space. For more details, check the link in the description. Once unlocked, your Metro by T-Mobile phone can work with compatible carriers worldwide. If this video helped, like and subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.